Listen up. You don't lose people. You lose your need to be chosen. The world says it's your loss when someone leaves. That's a lie. You get stronger every time you stop begging for validation. She didn't reject you. She rejected the desperate version of you. Today, I'll show you how to break her ego with silence, strength, and stoic power. This isn't about hate. It's about becoming the man she can't control. Reclaim your power. Build yourself so high her ego can't reach. If you're ready to become unbreakable, stay with me. Let's get it done. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Detach emotionally and you break her power. Chasing her validation only feeds her ego. Your silence is the antidote. Stop reacting, and her ego starves." Emotional detachment isn't coldness, it's control. Fight the urge to text, to check her socials, to react. The less you react, the more power you reclaim. Starve her ego of attention and watch the tables turn. Most men break under pressure, not you. Build a fortress around your mind. Let no one in unless you choose. Stay silent, stay strong, and watch her ego break. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish. The second you start proving your worth, you lose it." High-value men don't beg for approval. They walk away from disrespect. When you chase or explain, you put her on a pedestal. Stop. Stand tall. Your silence is your resume. If she can't see your value, let her go. There's power in walking away. Build your body, mind, and future. Never say, "Look at me." When you stop proving, you start winning. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Most pain is your mind overreacting. Control your emotions, and you become unbreakable. She tries to push your buttons, give her nothing. Calm indifference is dominance. When you don't react, her ego can't handle it. The silence becomes deafening. She questions her hold. Master your feelings. Never let them control you. Ego can't manipulate silence. It breaks down. You win by refusing to play the game. The Stoic man is defined by his mission, not attachment. Want to break her ego? Fill your life with purpose. Hit the gym, grind at work, level up your skills, make your life so full she becomes optional. When you're busy chasing goals, there's no room for obsession. You stop waiting for her approval. Your days are packed, your mind focused. Suddenly, her ego realizes it's not the center of your universe. She'll notice your absence and your energy shift. You don't have to say a word, your results speak. Purpose replaces obsession. When your mission is bigger than validation, you become untouchable. Real power is knowing when to walk away without explanation. Set your boundaries, enforce them. No drama, no justification. Her ego will try to pull you back, demand closure. Don't give it. The ego crumbles when it loses access without understanding why. Boundaries aren't discussed, they're lived. Explaining opens the door to manipulation. Close it. Make your absence louder than any explanation. Most men can't handle this, but you're not most men. Break her ego by showing she never had control. The strongest revenge is self-mastery. Master your body, habits, and mind. When you grow beyond the man she knew, her ego breaks. She feels the absence. Nothing hurts more than being forgotten by a man who leveled up. Revenge isn't about pain. It's about becoming unrecognizable. The gym is your therapy, the grind your obsession. Your glow-up is silent but undeniable. By then, you've outgrown needing her validation. Self-mastery is the coldest revenge. It's not about her anymore. It's about becoming the man you were meant to be. If this video woke something up in you, don't ignore it. Too many men are trapped by the need to be chosen. That ends today. You have the blueprint and the tools. Now use them. The path of a Stoic man isn't easy, but comfort never made anyone unstoppable. You want respect and power? It starts with a single choice: to act. Subscribe to AREV, your mental gym, your upgrade path. Join us or stay the man who reacts to disrespect. In the end, you don't lose people. You lose the version of yourself that needed them. Stay hard.